Good morning, everybody. It is 10 minutes to 8. I'm going to get this morning report up now. They're still coming in from just a little while ago, so I have room to do this in one feed, all right? Last night, while we slept, there was a 3.0 Oklahoma, 9 miles west-northwest of Blackwell. USGS had that at 0 miles in depth. EMSC had it at a 2.9, 10 miles northwest Blackwell at 3.1 miles in depth. The 4.9 Western Australia offshore at 6.2 miles in depth. The 3.0 Southern Alaska 7 miles west-southwest of Anchor Point at 33 miles in depth. A 3.3 Central California 11 miles east-southeast Little Lake. I'm going to leave the bell going, guys, at 2 miles in depth. The 3.5 Central California 14 miles east-northeast of Little Lake at 1 mile in depth. A 3.1 Central California 14 miles east-northeast of Little Lake at 1 mile in depth. A 4.7 off the west coast of northern Sumatra at 6 miles in depth. A 4.1 Komandorsky Islands, Russia at 6 miles in depth. A 4.7 Indonesia, Philippine Islands region. 94. I didn't put the miles on there. I did put the kilometers. 94 kilometers in depth. A 3.4 Cyprus region at 11.8 miles in depth. A 4.1 the Gulf of California. 53 miles south of Topolopambo. That's Topolopambo. It's 7.4 miles in depth. A 3.8 Western Australia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.3 near the coast of Kamchatka. That came in at 21.7 miles in depth. The 4.0 Australia off the coast of Australia. This happened right after the 6.3, and that happened at 6.2 miles in depth. The 3.8 Bali Sea at 19.2 miles in depth. A 3.5 Iceland region at 8.6 miles in depth. A 4.1 off the coast of Oaxaca, Mexico. That came in at 29.2 miles in depth. A 3.2 Iceland at 0 miles in depth. 3.9 Halmahera, Indonesia. That came in at, forgot to put the miles on there, 24 kilometers in depth. A 4.5 Halmahera, Indonesia. These are getting into this morning. 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.6 Western Australia off the coast at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.0 Greece at 1.2 miles in depth. The 4.5 Western Australia off the coast at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.8 Halmahera, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.2 Halmahera, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 Western Australia off the coast, right close to where that 6.3 was. Bruma at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 Halmahera, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. 3.3 California, Nevada border region at 0 miles in depth. Now I got to go find out what else is coming in. I'll do another video and we should be all caught up. All right. God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe out there. You guys are totally awesome. Have a great day. Wow, been a big morning, guys. 2 thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Be safe, please.